Hi, and welcome again to our channel. You're among the 1% of people who actively seek to learn fact-based information important to their health and longevity. Thank you for watching. We can only continue to produce these videos with your support. So, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. This video is one of a series of videos that our channel has done on cats. Cats are different. And the more scientists learn about cats, the more unique they appear to be. You see, unlike all other animals which have been domesticated by humans, cats are the only ones that we didn't choose to live with us. For example, we humans chose dogs to domesticate to use them as guardians against invaders. We chose horses to domesticate to use them for transportation and to carry heavy loads. But unlike these other animals which we humans chose, cats chose us. Yes, cats chose us. They came into our domiciles uninvited, and then we adapted to them. Archaeologists believe that cats chose humans to live with in order to serve their own needs. Those needs include eating mice and other scraps from human food. So, cats decided they needed us, and then, over time, they have made us believe that we need them. According to archaeological records, cats were first domesticated by humans from wild cats around 10,000 years ago in Egypt, in the area known as the Fertile Crescent, around the time that humans started farming crops. Cats became a favorite of pharaohs and queens. Queen Cleopatra is believed to have loved cats. Her cat was a species called an Egyptian mouse, which was a short-haired cat with either green or amber eyes. Egyptians believed cats had magical powers, even divine energy, and could bring a household good luck. Cats were outfitted with jewels and buried along with wealthy families. Some cats were even mummified. Cats were so revered that at the height of their popularity in the 2nd century before Christ, the penalty for killing a cat was death. You received a death sentence, even if the killing was accidental. It's not an exaggeration to say that, in many ways, cats ruled the houses that ruled the world. So, since the time of the Egyptian pharaohs, and for as long as humans have been farmers, we have been accompanied by cats as our furry uninvited guests. It's been a good relationship, one that is mutually beneficial. We humans and cats have been continuously adapting to each other for thousands of years. For their part, cats have made themselves useful by hunting rodents which were attracted to our food. For our part, we humans have provided cats with shelter from the weather and, of course, food. Nowadays, cats are everywhere. In the US, there are 58 million pet cats in American households. Some 25.4% of homes have a cat. This means that 1 out of every 4 homes has a cat. There are similar percentages in the UK and Australia and Canada, with 26% of all households having a cat in the UK and the European Union, and 30% in Australia, 20% in India, 13.5% in Africa, and about 12% in China. Clearly, cats now are everywhere humanity exists. They are here to stay. But though we humans have lived with cats for thousands of years, the cozy relationship we have had with cats is now being questioned. There are serious storm clouds on the horizon, as new scientific discoveries are making us ask the crucial question: should we really be living so closely with these animals? Yes, cats provide warmth and companionship. They are parts of our families. We love our kitties. Some of us even feel that we can't live without them. This is why what scientists have now learned and what we will next show you is so unsettling. For what scientists are now learning is that we may not be able to safely live with them either, unless we take precautions that we'll discuss later. You see, in the last decade, scientists discovered that the early Egyptians were right in thinking that cats have power. And, as we will show you next, cats not only have powers, cats, through their litter, have a superpower. To understand what this superpower is, we need to ask you a quick question. Which of the following places in your house are you most likely to contract a deadly parasite disease? Would you guess? The toilet? Kitchen? How about your garage? It may surprise you to learn that the places with some of the deadliest pathogens and parasites in your home actually is your cat's litter box. It turns out that there's an extremely deadly infectious parasite that lives in your cat's litter, called Toxoplasma gondii. And scientists have discovered that this little-known infectious parasite actually can cause, unbelievable as it may sound, wait for it, brain cancer. Some of you may be saying, hold on, can this really be true? Why haven't I heard of this before? Well, it is true. First, this study was done by a prestigious team of scientists from Harvard and other universities. Also, this study was published in a very prestigious peer-reviewed journal. This means that the study was reviewed by other scientists and doctors before it was even allowed to be published. Finally, the journal in which the study was published was itself led by a very renowned scientist, Professor Harold Zerhausen, who won a Nobel Prize in 2008. So, all in all, this study had many attributes that make it believable. What did the study find? What the scientists found is so incredible that it seems more like science fiction or a horror movie than scientific fact. It's almost unbelievable. What this study revealed for the first time is that this parasite in cat litter has a very special power. It has the ability to enter your body's genes and then to change how your genes work. Actually, the parasite hijacks your body's RNA. RNA is ribonucleic acid, a nucleic acid present in all living cells. RNA's main job is to act as a messenger carrying instructions from your DNA. Actually, the parasite hijacks your body's RNA. By doing so, by hijacking your RNA, this parasite changes the messages that are delivered to your genes. That is how it causes your genes in your brain to produce cancerous cells rather than healthy ones. It can modify the instructions in your RNA. Once this parasite enters your body, it can switch on a gene that gives you brain cancer. Needless to say, you should never handle kitty feces with your hands. Every year, scientists learn more about the type of diseases we humans can get when we live near cats and other animals. We're sure that in the future there will be more scientific studies on this fascinating link between your pets and your risk for cancer. Thank you very much for watching today. Subscribe to this channel and we'll make sure to keep you posted on any new developments. And as always, remember to get informed, stay informed and stay safe. See you next time.